Good morning, kids! I'm Teacher Lance and I'll be your teacher for today and for the rest of the semester. Today we're going to study mathematics and we will discuss subtracting numbers with the minuend 100 or less. So we're going to study how to subtract numbers, okay? Alright, so let's go and learn. So here we have the first problem. Alright, Martin has 37 sweets. He ate 12 of them. How many sweets has he left? Okay, in the story or in the problem, Martin has 37 sweets and then he ate 12 of them. So we're going to do subtraction, alright, in order to find out what is the answer to the question. We're going to find the number of sweets that he has left by using the subtraction. And here we have the number sentence 37 minus 12 because he had 37 candies or sweets and then he ate 12 of them. Alright? So what are we going to do next? We're going to, we can use the vertical method. We're going to write like this, okay? And then we're going to begin subtracting first the numbers or the digits in the place value of ones. So here we have 7 and 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So we're going to write 5 down here as part of our difference. And then we have the numbers in the place value of tens, which are 3 and 1. So we're going to subtract them too. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we're gonna write 2. Alright, therefore 37 minus 12 is equal to 25. Or the difference between 37 and 12 is 25. So we're going to learn more about subtraction using examples in our activities. So I want you to open your book to page 55. Open it to page 55. Here we have the number one problem or the number one expression. We have numbers 49 and 25 and we have to find out their difference. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract first the digits in the place value of ones, which are 9 and 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Alright, and then we're going to go to the place value of tens. So we have here 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Alright, therefore 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. Alright? Okay, now we can go to number 2. For the number 2, we have the numbers 29 and 13 and we're gonna find its difference or their difference. So 29 minus 13 is equal to blank. We will begin first with the place value of ones. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Alright? Therefore, 29 minus 13 is equal to 16. Alright, very good. Next, number 3. So how do we subtract 0 from 0? So 70 minus 50. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, of course. And then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Alright, so therefore 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. Alright, we have our final answer already. Now we can move on to number 4. We have 43 minus 12. So we're going to begin here. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we're going to write 1. And then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, 43 minus 12 is equal to 31. Alright. Next, number 5, we have 54 minus 24. So 4 minus 4 is equal to what number? Alright, it's going to be 0 because when we subtract a number to the same number as itself, it's going to be 0. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, 54 minus 24 is equal to 30. Next, number 6, we have 86 minus 70. So we have 6 minus 0. So what is it going to be? Alright, it is going to be 6 because any number that we subtract 0 from it, it's going to be the same number. Alright? So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. And then 8 minus 7. So what is it? Alright, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Therefore, 86 minus 70 is equal to 16. Can you follow so far? Alright. Now let's move on to number 7. We have 38 minus 24. 8 minus 4 is equal to what? Okay, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. Good job. Therefore, 38 minus 24 is equal to 14. Alright? So for the number 8, we have 73 and 32. 73 minus 32. So it's going to be 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And then 7 minus 3 is 4. Alright. Therefore, 73 minus 32 is equal to 41. Alright, now we have our last number. It's going to be number 9. So the numbers are 98 and 81. So we're going to subtract them. So we will begin with the numbers in the place value of ones, which are 8 and 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Alright. And then we're going to move on to the place value of tens, which are 9 and 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, which makes the number 17. So therefore, 98 minus 81 is equal to 17. So that's all for today. Today we just had our exercises for subtraction, and also we studied how to do subtraction. Okay, when we subtract, we take away a portion from a number, alright? So that is subtraction. So that's all for today. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and also, I hope that you enjoyed this class. Thank you again and God bless. Bye-bye. See you on our next meeting.